Welcome back to another video. Today, I wanted to share with you something a little different. So, everything is about problems, everything is about solutions, and budget. This has been a topic of conversation a lot lately with a lot of different things, including house projects, renovations, and all kinds of different things for both personal, friends, clients, family, etc. And it's an interesting topic. I feel like a lot of fundamentals are missed a lot of times, and I'm not saying I'm an expert at it, but I've been very blessed to work with some incredibly talented people, like incredibly talented designers that could just come up with ideas that are so outlandish, they're the perfect solutions. So, I'm over at someone's house, and they just have a really bad kitchen. It's really small. They don't really have space to do anything. Ignore the dirt. We're in a full cabinet build right now, so the whole garage is a bit messy. But kitchen's a bit small. There's nowhere to build an island. They've got maybe 6.5 by 6.5 square feet of floor space in the middle of their kitchen. A lot of their cabinets are occupied by stuff outside the kitchen. What I mean is like closet taking up an entire section of under cabinet storage. Like, it's just bad. So I had this idea because I had started building these coolers, and the coolers haven't been super popular, but I had these bases built, and I thought this might be a really good premise for a solution to a kitchen problem on a budget that would allow you more of the Swiss Army knife approach. Why fix one thing when you can fix 5? So this is an island that I have put together. I did modify it a little bit because what I had originally built them for, and now some things didn't transfer as smoothly as desired. So I did end up adding this top piece here, which gave like cutting board storage and stuff. I had built this top for one of the coolers, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted, and it wasn't thick enough to actually be a freestanding top. There wasn't enough material. It would have been flimsy and probably broken. So it was not up to the task of being used for that. But obviously for this, it is reinforced, so it's great. Like, there's over 1 inch of material for a top, which is nice and sturdy. You've got storage below. You've got storage on the bottom shelf. You've got a bottle opener. I did 4 hooks, 2 on each side. Oven mitts, who knows, hanging a ladle or flippers for your stove. I mean, the uses are endless. But as well as bar cart, serving cart, patio cooler, display for family events, special holidays. You could set this up, have all your wine and glasses and stuff. I did on this one. I even put a wine glass holder underneath, so wine glasses will hang. I really wanted this to be the Swiss Army knife of islands, because islands are great when you have a kitchen big enough to have it permanently affixed and have an eating nook or a breakfast bar. Awesome. But that's not always the scenario, especially in older homes. From the 50s, 60s, 70s, when open concept, big islands, kitchens, home entertaining, stuff like that wasn't as popular. We more or less just cooked meals, ate, pretended like we were a family, and went to bed. Well, we're trying to evolve, but you can't get blood from a stone. You can't turn a small kitchen into a big one. You can't take, 50 square feet and make it 100. So when you're limited for space and this is all you have to work with, this allows you to leave it in the middle and walk around it. This allows you to push it into a corner, roll it out of the room, put your nachos on it, roll it over to the table. Maybe you have a small dining room table and you're having some friends over and playing cards and you don't have room to set food on the table. This just allows all the other options, as well as you could strap hooks and whatever to it. These will get bottle openers in the future as well. But I haven't gotten those on yet because the paint was still drying. So I will more than likely add those today or tomorrow. It depends. I got a lot of cabinets to cut. But I just wanted to make a quick video. I wanted to share with you guys some of the cool stuff we got going on in the shop and some of the sweet stuff coming up next. Just always trying to innovate. Love to hear some feedback. Love to get your guys' ideas on what you'd love to see built or what you've done. Share some photos. Hit me up on all the social medias. Subscribe. Have a great day. Take care. Odd Job Bob.